Why is the sound of rain so wondrous, I ask myself. And in the gentle pitter-patter of droplets upon my window pane, I find the answer. It's the sound of nature's embrace, a soft serenade from the heavens above. Each raindrop, a messenger of life, carries with it the promise of renewal and growth. Listen closely, and you'll hear the whispers of the earth as it drinks in the nourishing rain. The scent of wet earth rises like incense, filling the air with the perfume of possibility. The rhythm of the rain is a dance of eons, a timeless melody that echoes through the ages. It speaks of ancient rivers and forgotten seas, of cycles unending and destinies intertwined. In its cadence, I find solace, a reminder that even in the darkest of storms, there's beauty to be found. For in the rain, I hear the song of resilience, of hope reborn with each passing shower. So let the rain wash over you, my friend, and let its music serenade your soul. For in the gentle patter of raindrops, we find the truest symphony of life.